Today, we're diving into a book that can really change the way you think about money. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker. This book is all about understanding why some people get rich while others don't, even if they work just as hard. The secret, according to Eker, is in how we think about money. He calls this our money blueprint. It's like the plan or map we have in our minds that tells us how to deal with money. If you want to be rich, you need the right blueprint. So, let's dig into what Eker says about creating a millionaire mindset. 1. What is a money blueprint? Why does it matter? Think of your mind like a computer and your money blueprint as the software that runs it. This blueprint is formed by all the things you heard, saw, and learned about money as a kid. If you grew up hearing money doesn't grow on trees, or seeing your parents worry about bills, you might have a blueprint that makes you stressed about money too. If your blueprint is set to scarcity or poverty, you'll struggle to hold on to money, no matter how much you make. Eker says the first step to becoming wealthy is to change this blueprint to one that attracts and keeps money. 2. How rich people think differently. Eker highlights that rich people and poor people have different mindsets. For example, rich people believe, "I create my life," meaning they take control of their financial future. Poor people often feel like victims, thinking, "Life happens to me." This victim mentality keeps them stuck. Rich people focus on opportunities. They see chances to grow and make money everywhere. Poor people often focus on problems, which makes them feel stuck. To start thinking like a rich person, you need to shift from a mindset of fear and limitation to one of possibility and abundance. 3. Beliefs shape your reality. Eker says that what you believe deep down affects how you act and the results you get. If you believe that money is the root of all evil, you might subconsciously avoid getting rich because you don't want to be evil. To change your reality, you need to change these beliefs. Start telling yourself, "Money is good. It allows me to help others and live a comfortable life." By changing your beliefs, you change your actions. And when your actions change, your results change too. 4. How to change your money blueprint. Changing your money blueprint isn't as hard as it sounds. Start by becoming aware of the negative thoughts you have about money. When you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never be rich," stop and replace it with, "I am capable of becoming wealthy." Eker suggests using positive affirmations. These are simple statements you repeat to yourself, like, "I am open to receiving wealth," or "I am in control of my financial future." The more you repeat these, the more your mind starts to believe them. 5. The Wealth Files, the Secrets of Wealthy Thinking. Eker introduces what he calls wealth files, which are ways that wealthy people think and act differently. Here are a few important ones. Wealth file number 1. Rich people believe they create their own life. They take responsibility for their financial situation no matter what. Wealth file number 2. Rich people play the money game to win. They set high goals and aim to achieve great things. They don't just play it safe. Wealth file number 3. Rich people see opportunities where others see obstacles. They think creatively and look for ways to solve problems, which helps them succeed. Wealth file number 4. Rich people are committed to being rich. They don't just wish for it. They work hard for it. They do whatever it takes to make it happen. 6. Manage your money like a pro. One big takeaway from Eker's book is that it's not just about how much money you make, but how you manage it. He suggests using the JAR system to manage your money wisely. This system splits your income into different categories. Necessities, 50%. This covers your basic needs like rent, food, and utilities. Reward, 10%. This is for self-rewarding. Spend it on things that make you happy, like a movie or a nice dinner. Education, 10%. Invest in yourself by learning new skills or taking courses. Long-term savings, 10%. Save for big goals, like buying a house or taking a big trip. Financial freedom account, 10%. This is money you invest to create more wealth, like stocks or real estate. Give, 10% use some of your money to help others or donate to causes you care about. By managing your money like this, you're not just saving, you're planning for the future and making sure you enjoy life now too. 7. Action beats inaction. Take steps toward wealth. Thinking like a millionaire is important, but action is what makes it real. Eker stresses that successful people take action even when they're scared or unsure. They don't wait for everything to be perfect. They take the first step, then the next, learning and adjusting as they go. Mistakes are part of the process. What matters is that you keep moving forward. So, if you have a goal or an idea, start working on it today. Even small actions can lead to big results over time. 8. Gratitude and generosity, keys to a wealthy mindset. Eker also talks about the power of being grateful and generous. When you focus on what you have, rather than what you lack, you start to see the world as full of opportunities. Gratitude helps you stay positive and attract more good things into your life. Being generous, whether with your time, money, or resources, creates a sense of abundance. When you give freely, you reinforce the idea that there's plenty for everyone, which helps attract more wealth to you. 9. Think like a wealthy person. Wealthy people see money as a tool that can create freedom, not just something to hoard. They ask empowering questions like, how can I afford this? Instead of saying, I can't afford this. This mindset opens up new possibilities and creative solutions for making money. Wealthy people also believe in having multiple streams of income, which means they earn money from different sources. This way, they're not dependent on just one job or business. If one source dries up, they have others to rely on. 10. Your mindset shapes your future. The main lesson from Secrets of the Millionaire Mind is that your mindset shapes your financial future. If you think like a wealthy person, believe in your ability to succeed, and take consistent action, you can change your financial situation. Eker's message is all about empowerment. No matter where you are starting from, you have the power to change your mindset and start building the life you want. The journey to wealth begins with how you think. Here are some key takeaways to remember. 1. Change your money blueprint. Become aware of your negative beliefs about money and replace them with positive ones. 2. Adopt a wealthy mindset. Take responsibility for your life, focus on opportunities, and commit to being rich. 3. Manage your money wisely. Use systems like the JAR system to plan your finances. 4. Take consistent action. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now and learn as you go. 5. Practice gratitude and generosity. Focus on what you have and give freely to create a sense of abundance. 6. Wrapping up, start thinking like a millionaire today. So, there you have it. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker shows us that our thoughts and beliefs about money have a huge impact on our financial success. By changing the way we think and act, we can create a future where wealth and success are possible. Start with small changes today, and over time, you'll see big results. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little boost in their money mindset.